Your Aunt Stephanie was a fine lady. She certainly thought a lot of you. As you may know, she had no direct descendants, so she wanted to leave you the bulk of her estate.
I can't believe it. She didn't come home to visit very often.
Well, it's right here in her will. You can claim your inheritance as soon as you meet the stated requirements.
What requirements?
After immigrating to the U.S., your aunt fell in love with her adopted country. She was especially fond of Atlanta, Washington, Chicago, and San Francisco. She wanted you to visit some of the places that she enjoyed so much.
That seems easy enough. Anything else?
Here are sealed envelopes with instructions about each place. When you arrive in Washington, for example, open that one. Then you'll know what to do.
This is all very strange.
Yes, it's strange, but worth the trouble, I think. When you finish your treasure hunt and return to Atlanta, I'll give you your check.